Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, I had to do a repair, so I thought I would do a quick video on this. This is an old El Cheapo Lionel flat car, as you see. I mean, this is about as cheap as you can get. Anyway, it took a tumble off the table and broke off the truck. So, actually broke the truck itself. So I'm going to replace the truck, and of course, while I have this apart, I'm going to convert it into a transition car by adding a tab and slot. Now, I already had this on the layout. Like I said, it took a tumble off the table and got broken. So a really simple way to replace these trucks. They're held on with rivets, as you see. In this case, the entire thing broke right out and broke the truck. So if you have to actually remove the rivet, you can just use a pair of dikes or side cutters and snip it off. And it smashes it flat, so cut it once that way, poke it through the hole. You see, this one is cracked right there, but more than serviceable. So what I'm going to use is in this case, a 1032 screw, 1032 nut. So drop the screw through the hole, add the Marx tab and slot, swing it out of the way, add the Lionel truck. Now you'll notice that this nut fits down in this truck like it was made for it. So hold it in place and then just tighten the screw. As you see. So you now have a Lionel or a Marx coupler. Really simple. And then to dress this up a bit, I just use an old Marx crane body, and was actually held on originally with a rivet. So just put a sheet metal screw in it, as you see. Get that started. And I've gone midpoint on this car and used an awl to poke a hole. So you just line up this screw with that hole and screw this down to the body. Or the flat car, I should say. Except it's not going in the hole. There we go. So you just tighten the screw down and it gives you a crane car that costs you exactly nothing. And don't tighten it to the point where you crack the plastic. Just enough to get it snug, that way it can still pivot, as you see. So it gives you an instant car where you started with a broken flat car. And in this case, you now have a transition car. So you can just swing the coupler around, have Lionel on this end, or have tab and slot on that end. So it makes a great transition car, costs exactly nothing. Made out of junk, out of the junk box, actually. So just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.